Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley and today we are back in my room so that we can try on more clothes. I have my Stitch Fix here, and for those of you that are unfamiliar, Stitch Fix is a clothing subscription service. They send 5 pieces of clothes or accessories for you to try on. If you like them, you keep what you like, you send back what you don't. It's a really great service and one that I have been a member of for quite a while now. There are a few different ways that you can go about your membership. Either you can get it monthly, every other month, or like me, I currently have mine set to quarterly since I never leave the house. So this is, for me, probably one of the things that I look forward to the most because I really appreciate getting to try something new and kind of out of my typical comfort zone while still being in my comfort zone. With Stitch Fix, you take a quiz to let your stylist know kind of what your preferences are, what are some of the things that you don't like, things of that nature, and then they curate the box for you. There is a $20 styling fee that is associated with each box. However, for any of the pieces of clothing that you decide you want to keep, that $20 styling fee is deducted from it. So basically, if you like even one piece in the box, then it's a free box, if that makes sense. Anyway, if you decide to keep everything in the box, then you actually get a 25% off discount. So you can actually find yourself some really good deals if you wanted to. So, spring clothes await. Normally, I open up the box with my good old rusty box cutter, but today I have lost scissors because room. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy open, and then we'll take a look at all of the pieces that have arrived. All right, so my parcel is removed. We have all of the details. So this shows you everything that came in your box, prices, all that kind of good stuff. And then for anything you don't want, you've got a pre-addressed postage paid envelope. Stick anything you don't want in, drop it in the mail. So easy. So this is what my parcel looks like, and I'm seeing a lot of blue. Like, a lot of blue, which is fine. I love blue, but I also own a lot of blue because I love blue. So, wait. This is what we have here. All right, so let's see. This is the first piece, and it is really pretty. It's definitely very sheer. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, definitely very sheer. Would need to wear an undershirt, but it is so spring appropriate and summer appropriate. I like this detailing right here. I think it's very feminine and very pretty. So this will be very interesting indeed. This is the next piece, and again, it is blue, but I like this sort of pink cascading floral look to it. It is a mixed fabric, so the front is that really slick sort of blousey material. Then the back is kind of a softer jersey knit material, which I'm totally fine with. That does not bother me. Oh, it has this cute zipper. Look at that detailing with the pull, the ribbon for the pull. So that's cute. I like that. Oh, and it's by Market and Spruce, which historically I have really enjoyed their pieces. All right, here we have a hoodie, but a very lightweight, almost like a thick shirt sort of hoodie. I do like that it zips. I don't honestly love hoodies that you pull over your head. I just feel very constricted by them pretty often. So I like that this zips up, and that is what it looks like. I'm not wowed, but I don't dislike it either. So we'll see what it looks like on. Oh, it's a skirt. I don't like skirts. I don't have anywhere to wear a skirt. Ooh, I'm a little nervous, my friends. I'm a little nervous. It is really pretty though. I mean, the pattern on it. So it is a blue and white, really thin stripe, but it's also got like silver threads running through it. So it's really pretty, and if I liked skirts and if I still worked, that would be a cute option. Oh, the other thing we have here are shorts. I don't wear shorts very often because I'm personally not super comfortable in them because, oh, Mama's got some tree trunk legs going on. So we'll see. This honestly feels big. We'll see what it looks like on, but it feels big. This is by the brand Dear John, and they are the size 14. So we'll definitely have to take a look and see what we've got here. All right, so we're starting with the skirt and the first top that I pulled out because I'll be honest, this is the thing that I am least excited about in the box. And so I have a few thoughts. I like the length, so it is, you know, just to my fingertips here. So the length itself is fine. It's not overly constricting or tight, which I appreciate. I can definitely walk and move in it, which I like. And I don't think it is as terribly unflattering as I feared that it would be. However, I don't love the look of it. And to be honest with you, I would never ever wear this. I have nowhere that I would wear it to. So for me, this is going to be a return. The top, though, I'm kind of mixed feelings about. I like the way it looks. I mean, obviously not with the skirt. In fact, let me take this skirt off and put on the shorts, and then we'll talk about this top. All right, so here are the shorts, and they're actually better than I was afraid. So they do have a good length to them, which is nice. They aren't super tight in the legs, which is good. It doesn't feel like, you know, when you walk and they can sometimes ride up in places you don't want them to ride. These don't seem like they're going to do that, which is nice. It also has a two-step closure. It's got a button, and then it's got a clasp as well, which I like because it helps keep everything sitting nice and flat, which is good. So surprisingly, I don't hate the shorts, and I typically hate shorts. So I think I'm okay with these. What do you guys think? They look okay on the bum? Yeah, does she look okay? I do actually like the top as well. I'm kind of on the fence about it because, again, it's not an around the house sort of material, but I like the way that it hangs, and I like the color and the way that it looks. I like the cute little shoulders. Again, I do like the detailing here on the top and a little bit of ruching that gives it some sort of interest here. So I do like this shirt. It's just, I'm not 100% sure how much wear it's going to get just around the house, but we'll have to see what the cost is since we haven't looked at that at all. So let's go ahead and put on the other two items and see what we think of those. Okay, so we're wearing the shorts still, we're wearing the little zip up hoodie thing, and then the shirt that I also have here. Obviously, these are things that I would not typically pair together, but for the sake of trying them on, we're gonna roll with it. So I find this zip up kind of interesting. Like I said, it is definitely more t-shirt material, but like a thicker t-shirt, not like a t-shirt. How many times can I say t-shirt? Anyway, so I don't think it would actually keep you warm, but in the spring and in the fall when it's just starting to kind of get a little bit of a chill in the air, I could see how this would make sense just going out on walks and things like that. I think it's cute. It fits well. It doesn't feel super constricting. The zipper is nice. It has pockets, which you guys know. I'm obsessed with pockets. Wait. Yes, the shorts do have pockets. Why is it with women's clothes they sew pockets shut? They're only there for aesthetics? No, we need useful pockets. Take that as a note. So definitely, I like this zip up a little bit more than I thought that I would, which seems to be the theme of the box this month. I liked it more than I thought I would. And then this is the other top. I do really quite like this. I feel like if I was still working, this would be an absolute staple for me. It is really very flattering and very cute. I love the color. I think it fits really well and it hangs really nicely. I do like this top quite a bit. Just as with the other one though, what I need to sit down and figure out is how often would I wear it, how much use would it get? And something I didn't mention with the other one, I need to look at the washing instructions because your girl is lazy and I don't take things to the dry cleaner. So let's go ahead and I will change back into my other clothes and we'll talk about all of my thoughts. We'll look at the prices and we'll figure out what we're gonna keep and what we're gonna send back. All right, so here we are back to talk about all of the pieces that we just tried on, talk about prices, talk about what we think, whether we're gonna keep them, whether we're gonna send them back, what we wanna do. So this right here is the price of everything, and we'll talk about sizes and all that kind of good stuff there. So let's start with this right here. This is the skirt. This is by Tribal. It is their tie-less skirt, and it is a size 14, and it retails for $48. I don't need this. I didn't hate it, but I don't like it either, and I just don't need it. I don't have any place that I would wear this, so that's just not, I mean, I guess I could hold on to it until I do go back to work at some point, but I'm not sure when that's going to be. I'm not sure where that's going to be, and I don't know what size I'm going to be. So I don't know. I don't feel like that's something that I should hold on to. This right here is the shirt that I tried on with it. This is by the company Paper Moon. This is their Adalia Smocked detailed blouse. Obviously the color is blue and it is a size large. It does retail for $42. I did like this one. I thought it was very feminine. I thought it fit very nicely. I thought it hung very nicely. For not having much in the way of sleeves, I didn't feel uncomfortable in it. I don't know how often I would wear it around the house. I did check, it is machine washable, so it's not a dry clean only piece, which was a concern there. But for $42, I don't know. But see, here's where it gets tricky. Here's where it gets tricky. So, here we go. The next thing that we're going to talk about is the hoodie. So this is the hoodie here. This is by Market & Spruce as well. And I surprisingly liked this. So this is Market & Spruce, their Mavian high-low zip-up hoodie. It is in navy and it is the size large and it retails for $64. That's a bit pricey, but if it's something that I would get a lot of use out of, then it's worth the $64. I don't know. I don't know. But it was cute and it was comfortable and I did like it. The same kind of goes with the shirt. So I do like it. I think it is really cute. I thought it felt really nice. I thought it hung really well. What are the washing instructions on this? This one is, yeah, machine wash cold. Awesome. So I did like this one. I did like this one. This is Market & Spruce. This is their Zayat zip back top. It is in the shade navy. It is a size large and it is $54. So that's where we're at with this one. And then finally we have the shorts, these right here. So this is by the company Dear John. They are in the shade indigo, a size 14, and they are $62. I would wear these and I would get use out of them. So here's the thing, I don't like shorts, but they are a necessary evil in the South. That's just all there is to it. I can't live in jeans, and given the life that I'm currently leading, I can't live in maxis anymore either because it's just difficult when juggling the girls. So I only own one pair of shorts that do not fit anymore, which is depressing. Depressing. So do I keep these? Do I keep these? So here's where Stitch Fix can sometimes be frustrating. If I were to keep all three of the pieces that we talked about last, less the styling fee, it would be $160. But remember we talked about earlier that if you keep everything, you get a 25% discount. If I were to keep everything, it would be $182.50. $22.50 difference between the three pieces and the five. That's frustrating. That's frustrating. So, gosh, I don't know. What do you guys think that I should do? what do you think that I should do? I really want to know in the comments below. As usual, I'm going to talk it over with the hubs, decide from there what really makes sense, and I will definitely update you in the description below. In the description below, there will be links to everything that I am wearing on my little face. Not the earrings though, because I actually made these a couple of years ago at a jewelry making class, so I can't link them. But everything that I'm wearing on my face, this top, if I can remember where it came from. I will also have my referral link for Stitch Fix if Stitch Fix is something that you have been wanting to give a try. Even though this box was kind of lukewarm for me, I do overall really enjoy Stitch Fix and highly recommend it. If you use my referral link, you'll get $25 off of your first box. I will also get $25 off. This is not a special promotion. You can probably find a ton of different codes that do the same thing. So if you're not comfortable using my referral link, then still check out Stitch Fix because they're great. And that is where we will leave it. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I hope that you are having an amazing day, and I will see you next time. Bye.